Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. We are recording today. It's vlog day and I'm excited. I'm currently working. I was asked to do like a week in the life type of video, and I'm so excited to do that. Obviously with reason, like as far as like what I can or can't show or can't talk about, because my job is I can say like what I do. I work for a health insurance company and I process claims. So like whether it be medical claims, dental claims, vision claims, you name it, I do it. So that's what I do. Obviously I can't like show what I'm doing because that would be a violation of like information, like a HIPAA violation. So we're not going to do that, but that's what I do for a living. That's my 9-to-5 job, because I do have a 9-to-5 job. My husband is away for the weekend. He's also a trainer for the health insurance company that I work for, but he usually is in his office. But today is Thursday and he went to go to an Astros game. He's a huge Astros fan, and him, his parents, and his sister all went, and I couldn't go because I couldn't take the time off. I'm trying to save all of like my PTO time for when I go on a Cancun trip. I'm gonna go to Mexico. At least I sure hope that I'm going to Mexico. But yeah, I'm currently working. I process claims and sometimes it gets really busy because we just have a lot. Sometimes it gets backed up. Sometimes it's like people also tend to go to the doctors during like holidays, and we recently had like spring break and stuff like that, so we get a lot of claims around that time. So it makes sense, but that's kind of what happens. So I figured, let me bring you along for the day. I'm going to show you all my day, Thursday and Friday, and I'm also going to show you a little bit of like content creation and probably even like packaging some of my orders. If you don't know, I did relaunch, I should say, because it was already a thing, but I launched some charms and they're really cute. I will post some pictures here and I'll also leave the link down below. There's a lot of stuff available. I made a lot this time because I have big plans, y'all. I have some really big plans. I have some big dreams that I hope can become a reality, but we'll see what happens with time. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of get the vlog started to bring y'all along, to kind of show you all a little bit of what my day looks like. I work from home, so I literally get up and I get started with work. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty convenient and I freaking love it. That was not always the case. So working from home now is truly so amazing and such a blessing. So yeah, I will bring you along for the day and show you all my planners. We can do some content creating. Just we'll see. We'll do stuff, you know, and I will bring you along for the journey. So happy you're here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the fam and join on these like weekly videos. I'm going to be making weekly vlogs and weekly planner videos. So I'm excited. So talk to y'all later. So freaking proud of him. Come on, you can do it. Ignore my husband's pajamas, the bottom of the stairs. But go, Caesar, go. He was not able to do this. And look at us. He's learning. Alright, so I'm going to record how to make my matcha on Instagram. So the lighting is super weird. I don't know where to put y'all. Maybe like right here. That's not going to work. Nope. None of this is working. Okay, I'm just gonna keep y'all where y'all were at and then like call it a day, because whatever is what it is. But I have my phone in front of me and I'm gonna try to record this. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. time for some freaking matcha. I'm so excited. So I just grabbed a little bowl. This is the matcha that I use. It's from Chamberlain Coffee. Honestly, there's better ones out there, but I got this and I'm gonna use it. And then I use this for sweetener, and it works out perfectly. So I just add like maybe like, oh shoot, I'm making a mess over here, maybe like 2 pumps of this at the most, and then I add my hot water. Okay, I lied. I am gonna add the matcha after. So I have this little like scooper thing that came with this whisk that I got. I think I got it at Central Market or Whole Foods. One of those, but I just grab matcha. I like a lot of matcha, but the milk, yeah. All right, hey you guys, so I am done with work, thank God. But I'm done with work. I guess like, honestly, like I wish I could share more about my job and like what I do, but I work for a health insurance company, and it's like so specific, and like really can't share anything because HIPAA violations, and like all I can say is like I process claims, I help people as much as possible, but I'm off already. I get off at 4. I got off a little later, but I got 2 packages in. One from, it's the Laurel Denise planner, which has gotten a lot of attention recently, and then another package that I don't know who it's from, so that's concerning, but it comes from California. So I guess we'll like find out once we open it, right? Actually, yeah, I know what this is. How exciting. Okay, so I had ordered some pens, and these are like fountain pens. So I'm pretty excited about these. I'm thinking about carrying some of these in my shop to like have individuals, but like, look, I have all of these colors. Oh, they forgot. I thought it was supposed to be 2 of each. Whatever, but I got all of these colors, and these are all fountain pens. So I am so excited, so cute. And these don't come with like the pre-filled cartridges. I don't think so. I'd have to like look over them a little bit more carefully, but that's what came in. I'm gonna keep these, yeah, I'm gonna keep them in the bubble wrap. And then this is the Laurel Denise planner that arrived literally just today. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. I've been seeing a lot of my friends using this planner, and also like just people in the community. I've seen a lot of TikToks about it. I believe it actually went, I don't know if it went like viral, but it definitely got a lot of attention. The designer and the owner of this brand is Laurel Denise, and she has like ADD or ADHD, I'm not sure, and I believe she used it for her own business, and then it was just so successful that then created a planner company, and now this is what it's become. But this size of this box is probably the size of the planner, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm really excited to see it, to like get into it, and just see what it's about. But let's open it up. Oh, cute. Let me go ahead and show you all this side. Cute. This is so pretty. Look at this card. I can like keep this for journaling or something. But how stinking cute. It's bubble wrapped. You know, just, oh, it actually just slides right out. Perfect. So we'll move that off to the side. And this is the planner. This is the design that I got. I just really like the florals, but hopefully it's something that will work out for me. I've been trying all the planners, so if you want to like see my review on like all the planners that I've tried, like let me know. I think that would be a great video. But this is another planner that I'm going to try out, and hopefully it's something that I enjoy. It's definitely big, but if you see that, it comes with like kind of like half pages for the week, and then the longer pages are like monthlies and like just other sections. So I'm excited to jump into that. I'll definitely show you all a flip through maybe tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. But I just got off of work, so I'm gonna turn on my TV. Right now I have a white light on for lighting, but I'm gonna turn my TV on and continue watching some Netflix. Okay, I forgot to let y'all know I ordered food. I got cheese. So I got some dressing, tortilla soup, which I'm probably going to save for later or tomorrow. We'll see. But this is what I'm having. And I'm watching New Amsterdam on Netflix.
We're at Bar Louie. It is April 1st.
April 1st. It's not even
Happy
March.
April Fools. Annabelle's gonna have her first martini. What? Okay.
Victoria, come here.
What do we do?
Okay.
What's the best?
1, 2, 3, go.
What's the best fucking filter?
You got it. 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Let me see your reaction. What do you think?
Honestly, kind of good.
It's good.
You like martinis then?
Yeah, it has like a weird aftertaste, but I kind of like it.
Okay.
Okay, Sahida with the effects.
This isn't the best martini I've had, but it's alright.
I kind of like it.
Okay.
The rusty
This is
now.
her right now drinking it.
This is my
Live
forehead, if
camera.
anything.
We're
She's drinking this.
documenting.
Bye.